In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So there's actually no direct way of doing this on Phantom Wallet itself. However, you can do it using a second exchange, such as, for example, Coinbase over here in my background, or Binance, or whatever. Basically, it can be an exchange where you can swap coins. Now, the way you can actually do this over here is, let me show you. So first, you want to come over here to your Phantom Wallet and you want to click on Send. And then you want to select Ethereum. If it doesn't show up, you can just search for it up here and then click on Ethereum. And then you want to type in the recipient's Ethereum address and the amount. So the recipient's Ethereum address is going to be your address over here inside your Coinbase, Binance, or whatever you're using. And if you go to My Assets, for example, inside Coinbase, you can then click Receive Crypto, and you can, of course, get yourself your address that you then want to input in here inside your Phantom. Now, once you put that in, you'll also have to put in the amount, so whatever the amount you want to be converted from Ethereum to Solana, and then you want to click Next and simply send it. Once your crypto arrives to your exchange, so for example Coinbase, as I said, you'll then just gonna have to go over here to convert, and then you will have to convert Ethereum to Solana, and then you simply want to click Send Crypto over here, and then it will ask you where you want to send it. So as you can see, you can connect a Coinbase wallet, or, of course, you don't have to do that, but you can just simply send it to Phantom. And the way you can do this is go back to Phantom, and then click Receive, click on Solana over here, and this is your address. You want to click Copy, and you want to paste this copy into your Coinbase or whatever. It will recognize the wallet. You simply want to click on it, and if you have any Solana coins on your wallet, you'll be able to select how much you would like to transfer, then click Send, and your Solana will be successfully transferred over to your Phantom wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.